Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Twilio Studio flows before rebuilding experiences, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your Twilio Studio flows, begin by logging into your Twilio account. Navigate to the Twilio console. On the left sidebar, click on the Studio option. Select flows from the Studio dashboard. You will see a list of all your existing flows. Identify the flow you want to back up. Click on the flow to open it for editing. Once inside the flow, look for the Export option, usually found under the Settings menu. Click on Export to download the flow's JSON file. Save this JSON file to a secure location on your computer. Repeat this process for any additional flows you wish to back up. Once you have backed up all necessary flows, you're ready to rebuild your experiences. To restore a flow from backup, return to the Twilio Studio dashboard. Click on the Create Flow button to start a new flow. Look for the Import option in the flow creation settings. Select the JSON file you previously saved. This action loads your flow and all its configurations back into Twilio Studio. After the import is complete, review the flow for any necessary updates or changes. Finally, test your rebuilt flow to ensure everything functions as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.